Good morning. The theme of this week is celebration. A celebration is a special social event to show that a particular occasion is important. It can be a party, a concert, prize giving, dinner, a week of festival events. A whole range of things can make up a celebration. But why do humans celebrate? We celebrate to mark a specific achievement, the end of an effort or struggle, the achievement gained by overcoming obstacles in our path. You can interpret this week in your school journey, a celebration to mark the end of your GCSEs or A-levels, or having completed a full year's work and the prospect of a long summer break ahead to rest and recharge. Many religions and cultures have fixed points in the year where their followers are required to celebrate. The 5 Jewish festivals, Passover, Pentecost, Tabernacles, New Year, and the Day of Atonement, are whole community celebrations, held with observance of both fasting and feasting. Diwali, the Hindu festival of lights, celebrates with vibrant colour a message of spiritual victory over darkness and ignorance. In Islam, Eid al-Fitr celebrates the self-denial of Ramadan, a month of fasting, coming to an end. Another festival, Eid al-Adha, the festival of the sacrifice, is the second of only 2 moments in the Islamic calendar where it is forbidden to fast and customary to distribute food, including meat. Giving up meat has, in Christian Europe, long been marked by carnevale, an Italian term meaning the removal of meat, indicating the last moments in February when meat could be eaten, and the carnival which ensued was often a riot of feasting and indulgence before the long period of fasting over Lent. The modern sites of carnival in Rio de Janeiro, New Orleans, or Venice, for example, may seem entirely secular, celebrating the body more than the spirit. But however carnal, they look forward to Easter, the moment in the Christian calendar which marks the end of Lent and the start of Holy Week. However, for many, Christmas is a more widely celebrated festival than Easter. Christmas is now so well known and ubiquitous that for many it has become a secular celebration to mark the coming end of the new year, to cease work, buy presents, brighten their homes with lights and decorations, and celebrate time with family. Christmas's position echoes the midwinter festivals of Europe's pre-Christian days, when communities took time in the short, dark days of the year's nadir to celebrate in anticipation of brighter and better days ahead. For some, there may not seem much to celebrate this year. The coronavirus pandemic has affected the global community in ways which few of us could have predicted. At St Dunstan's, we remain individually and collectively saddened by the social and individual impact which the virus has made, in addition to the changes which the school shutdown has brought on us. This June may seem like midwinter. But despite the differences this year, we do have a huge amount to celebrate. Saturday's prize giving showed the community the breadth of academic achievement and ambition which resides here. The prizes to students who have overcome adversity or made the most significant progress are often the most highly valued by those that receive them. The St Dunstan's community has shown its agility and resilience in adapting to remote learning, not just getting through it. And this has been shown in the amazing projects in the Festival of Curiosity, which the lower school is undertaking now. And we teachers have written and proofread reports this half term and been stunned by the sheer number of positive comments which you all receive and indicate just what a special school this is. So this week, as you look to finish off your projects and final days of work, share your success stories in your form groups, with your friends and with your families. On Friday, we will meet together to celebrate all the positives of this year in the final Cups and Colours assembly. And when Friday noon finally comes, have a wonderful holiday. You deserve it.